We're hunting in the woods.
So let's go find something.
Whoa.
Be careful. So let's go find it. All right, dig it out. See what you got.
I can't.
Need some help?
Yep.
Here. Here, hold it right here. You hold this now. I'll help you dig it out.
Okay.
So you gotta hold it right there. Okay? Get your metal detector. I don't want to. Wait, let's see where it's at. I forgot where it's at. Get your metal detector. Right, go over it. What? Wait, let me sit. Okay, I got it right here. All right, hold this and keep it down here on the shovel. Move your fingers. Hard ground, there's some roots in here too. Don't put your fingers over it, Emily.
Oops, sorry.
Keep it down here where everybody can see, okay?
Okay.
No, down here.
It's fixing to cut off.
Don't cut it off. Let me sit. All right, let's see what you got. Put your gloves on. There's glass on here. Put your gloves on. Let's pull it back, see what we got.
See, there's glass.
Pull it, see, there's glass, see?
I can't pull my gloves out.
There it is. It's part of a mason lid. See?
Oh.
See, on to the next hole.
On to the next hole.
See, look at all the glass. So that could cut your finger. That's why we wear gloves.
Yeah.
No, no.
I'm going to hold it.
Put your gloves on.
Ah!
Let's go find something else.
80-0. No, 80-0.
What's your target say?
Now it's a different one. 60-0.
From 60 to 80?
No.
All right, well, mark your spot. Let's dig it, see what it is. All right, dig it out. Go back over. Where's it at? Let's see.
75. 74. 74.
There we go. Right in here somewhere. Right.
That's right where that black spot is.
All right, we'll dig it out.
Ooh, it's a little soft right here.
You might can dig that by yourself then. Push hard, stomp it. Act like you're mad at it. There you go. Sound effects and all.
Help me.
Need some help.
Mama gonna help you dig it out.
Here, you get your foot on the other side.
Oh,
Mom, let me help. Here, move your hand for a minute.
Right, push. It's pretty hard. Probably some roots.
All right, watch out. Next side. Come here.
Whoa.
well,
Very good. All right, one more side.
hey, I want to do the other side.
There you go.
Help me.
Like y'all having a hard time on this one.
All right, let go. Let go. Thank you.
Ah, look. Just to pull it out. You're still. So what you got in the hole? Got in some roots.
Goodness gracious.
I'm having a fun time. Actually.
I'm fun watching y'all.
Uh-huh.
Don't throw it so far over.
I know.
Ooh.
It's part of a belt.
It's a little buckle. That's a nice
No,
buckle.
no.
Okay, it's part
no.
of a belt. Let's see.
It's part of a belt.
Well, let's make sure there ain't nothing else in there. Get your pinpointer.
Here, show everybody what you got.
Here, hold it out in your hand and show everybody.
Oh, you dropped it.
There you go.
No, 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 no.
Let's see. Let's focus on it. There we go. It's a nice little buckle.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like. If
Yeah.
you should keep her hand still. Keep it
You
still.
waving at
All right, let me see it.
everybody?
Let's see.
Yeah.
All right, go around in there and see if there's anything else. Did you turn it on?
No.
There we go. That's nice.
Good job, Emily. Wait, here, watch out.
See if there's
Scoot back.
anything in the pot.
All right, let's go find something else. Cover your hole up. Say on to the next hole.
That's it. All right, say on to the next hole.
On to the next one.
You want to say bye?
Turn it off.
Hello, guys. We found something in the hole. I think I put out. See what it is.
What numbers you got?
Right now, it's 76.
Let's see. If everybody wants to know what she's hunting on, she's in Pro Zero. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Iron disc at 22. Sensitivity 1 down. Okay, go back over it, Marky. See what? All right, mark it with your foot. Right there. Okay, hold what you got. Here, go back just a little bit. Right there. All right,
Here. No,
You dig.
Wait, dig.
all right, dig it out. Push hard.
Oh, it's a
A little softer. Push hard.
I am.
You need some help?
Nope.
Okay. Here, some roots on this one too. Here, let me help you out. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, you okay? Here, I help you up.
Oh.
You okay? Where was you digging? Let's find it. Move that shovel for a minute, please. Right here. Right here. I'll get a shovel. Get a shovel. Here, let me sit for a minute. You want to hold the camera?
No.
No, dig it out.
Okay, dig it out.
Here, help me. Put your foot over there.
Actually, I can do it all by myself.
Well, you just fell with it. I was going to help you, okay? There's roots in here. Oh, it is. See, it's root. Let me see if I can get you. You hold your phone for a minute, and I'll help you out. Don't put your fingers in front of it. Okay?
Okay.
Wow. Don't put your fingers in front of it. What are you doing, babe?
Holding the shovel for you?
Now get your pinpointer out. Let me see it. All right, see if we can find it.
Where is it?
It's on your side still. Here,
No.
still in the hole. You got it on? Go slow with it. Hold it up straight. It's right in here somewhere. Not let off. Oh, there it is, look.
I cannot believe it's a bullet.
Awesome.
Ooh, smushed.
Let's see. Yeah, we hit it. Yep, we hit it with a shovel. It's still an awesome bullet though, look at there.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, we nicked it a little bit, look at there.
What is this?
There
Sorry
it is.
we
It's
did
a-
this. Why did you do that, Daddy?
Because you always like putting stuff on your nose.
Just like P-Man.
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
There it is.
Drop my Pinocchio.
Let's go see if we can find something else.
Let's go see if we can find another Pinocchio.
All right.
Ta-da!